nTask tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use nTask. nTask is a cloud-based project management software for teams. In this video, we will walk you through the basics of nTask and show you how to create workspaces. We will also demonstrate how to add tasks and meetings. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using nTask, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct home page. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign Up for Free button and click on it. This will redirect you to the registration page. On the registration page, you'll find two options to sign up for a new account, using your email address or your Google account. Choose the option that suits you best and proceed accordingly. After signing up, you will be directed to another page where you'll need to complete 3 steps: Profile, Team, and Invite. In the profile setup, provide your full name, phone number, and create a strong password. Once you've entered the required information, click on the Continue button to proceed to the next step. Moving on to the Team step, you'll be asked to create your team and workspace. Enter the desired names for your team and workspace in the respective fields. Additionally, select your regional data center for optimized performance. Once you've completed these steps, click on Continue to proceed. In the Invite step, you'll have the option to invite your team members. Enter their email addresses in the provided field. If you want to invite multiple team members, simply click on the plus button next to the email address field to create additional fields. Once you've entered all the desired email addresses, click on the Take Me to nTask button. After clicking the button, you'll be taken to your account dashboard, where you can start utilizing the features and functionalities of nTask for effective task management and collaboration. Once you've accessed the nTask dashboard, you'll notice its simple interface. The main component is the left navigation panel, which consists of various tabs to help you navigate through the platform's features. The Team tab allows you to manage your teams. When you click on this tab, a drop-down menu appears, providing access to the Workspace dashboard, team settings, and the ability to create a new team by clicking on the Create Team button. The Workspace tab enables you to access your team's workspaces. This section allows you to organize and categorize your tasks and projects based on different workspaces. The Quick Access tab provides convenient access to quick filters and favorites. These features enable you to streamline your workflow by quickly accessing specific tasks or projects that you frequently work on or need to prioritize. If you find that you need more space on your screen, you can click on the arrow sign located next to the 3 dashes at the top of the left navigation panel. This action will hide the left navigation panel, giving you a wider view of the main dashboard area. By offering a user-friendly and intuitive interface, the nTask dashboard aims to enhance your productivity and make it easy for you to navigate and access the various functionalities and tools available to manage your tasks and collaborate effectively. How to create a new workspace. To create a new workspace in nTask, follow these steps. First, navigate to the Team tab and click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Workspace Dashboard to access the Workspaces section. Once you're in the Workspace dashboard, look for the Create New Workspace option and click on it. This action will open a pop-up window where you can enter the details for your new workspace. In the pop-up window, provide a name for your workspace in the designated field. Once you've entered the desired workspace name, click on the Create Workspace button to proceed. After clicking the button, your new workspace will be created. You can locate and access this workspace in the Workspace Dashboard section, which can be found under the Team tab. Next, let's see how to add a new task in nTask. To add a new task in nTask, follow these steps. First, click on the workspace where you want to add the task. This action will take you to the selected workspace. In the left menu of the workspace, you'll find options to create various elements such as projects, boards, tasks, meetings, and timesheets. Note that in the free version you can only add new tasks, meetings, and issues, while creating projects, boards, and timesheets is limited to premium accounts. Since we're adding a new task, click on the Add New button. Once clicked, you'll see 3 options: Task, Meeting, and Issue. Choose Task to proceed with adding a task. Upon clicking the task option, a pop-up window will appear. In this window, enter the task title and select the assignee for the task. If you want to add more settings and details, click on Show More. This will expand the options and allow you to set up the task's priority, status, start and end date, as well as add additional details. Make sure to fill in all the necessary fields correctly. Once you've filled in the required information, click on the Create Task button to create the task. After creating the task, you can view it in the Tasks section. To access this section, click on Tasks in the left menu. This will direct you to the Tasks page, where you can see the existing tasks you've created as well as create new tasks as needed. Next, let's see how to add meetings in nTask. To add a meeting in nTask, follow these steps. Firstly, navigate to the top right corner of the interface and locate the Add New button. Click on this button to proceed. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear presenting three options: Task, Meeting, and Issue. Select the Meeting option to add a new meeting. Once you've chosen Meeting, a pop-up window will appear where you can enter the details of the meeting you're adding. In the Meeting Title field, provide a title or name for the meeting. Next, select the date and start time for the meeting. You can choose a specific task related to the meeting from the Task field if applicable. Additionally, input the duration of the meeting in the Duration field. In the pop-up window, you'll also find options to specify the location of the meeting, add participants, and include an agenda. Fill in these fields accordingly to provide all the necessary information about the meeting. Once you have filled in all the required fields, click on the Create Meeting button to finalize the creation of the meeting. The meeting will now be added to your nTask workspace. To locate the meeting you have created, you can find it in the Meetings section of the interface. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using nTask. You can sign up using the first link in the description. I appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching and